Hello, my name is Andreas, and if you like, I can show you a little bit about our CODEO IDE.
Welcome to A Cup of CODEO, your 5-minute tutorial.
We start in the CODEO main perspective. On the left side I have prepared a PikeOS integration project. Let's have a look what is inside. Here we see the logical structure of the project, the default group with the service partition, and the BSP that contains the drivers. Underneath there is my application group, holding a PikeOS partition and a PikeOS native process component. Let's run the target and see what is happening. I use a simulation target that I can run directly from the CODEO IDE. The console will show you that the PikeOS native application is Hello World, printing on the screen. What I want to do now is to duplicate this application to run it in parallel in a separate partition. This can be easily done from the project structure view inside my PikeOS project. This is the logical structure: the PikeOS partition and the PikeOS native process. But how does this look like from the PikeOS partitioning perspective? Let's have a look into VMIT. PikeOS implements the concept of partitioning. So here we see the partition table on the system. Here's my PikeOS partition. It has a unique name and a unique ID. Inside we can find the PikeOS process. The gray name on the right side indicates which component is contributing the configuration accordingly. So here we see the PikeOS partition component name. Now I want to duplicate the entire structure. Let's go back to the structural overview. I can easily duplicate my application by selecting it and copying it. Now I can paste it to the root node. Now I have a name conflict. CODEO is already resolving this. I can either stay with this name or I can use my own names. Now I have the application twice in my project, but there's a conflict. Let's have a look what is wrong. Since we have duplicated a partition, we also have duplicated the name and the partition ID. So now there's a conflict. We want to resolve this now. This can be easily done in the structural overview. So I select the PikeOS partition component, go to the parameters name, change the name there, and set the partition ID to the next free number. Now the conflict is resolved. We save the configuration and build our boot image. Now we can run the simulation target again and check for the result. Now, as we can see, Hello World is running twice, task 22 and 23, independently in 2 different partitions.
And that's it. I hope you liked it. See you next time.
You can try out our CODEO IDE together with a free ELinOS test version. Go to our website and start your experience.